everyone, so at this point I've shown you the door, I've shown you the doorway. What I haven't shown you is this. That door, which is a beautiful door, I love the door. We have a small problem with the door. The door didn't fit the door frame, so it really didn't fit. And actually getting one that fit would be expensive. I don't know why, or because we had to even had it made, or I don't know, but a small door seems to cost more than a big door. Explain that to me. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe this is just a simple door and that's why it's less expensive, but we figured we could, it's not completely done. It wouldn't ruin everything to move it a little bit. We figured we could just open the doorway a little bit more and just make it better. So I'm going to show you the progress on that. And this is the progress. It took some adjustments. As you can see here, those beams were about this width apart and now they are very close. And I'm so sorry about the terrible lighting, but you know, sometimes I only get to come here at the end of the day because of work and stuff. There's a piece of wood supporting this frame, and then there's another one supporting here at the places where we had to basically cut. You can see here, and then we had to cut it here and then place some extra support. The same went on over here. And honestly, I say we, but I didn't do this. This was entirely done by my father. That's why I have no footage of it. But I knew it was supposed to be done. And knowing is half the battle. Right? And we always have a cat on shenanigan duty. Today we have Josie. Hi, Josie. Hi, Josephine. Are you on shenanigan duty? Yep. Yeah. How cute are you? Nope, 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 nope. You can't go there. You can't go there, you'll get trapped. Yeah, see? You're kind of smart. Not always. Josie is having a lot of fun. So, since I'm here, I'm going to show you the roof. The roof, not the roof, the floors. And since I'm here, I'm going to show you the update on the floors. I'm also not being very helpful on that, but that's not by choice. I'm working, what can I say? I have to work. I need money. Light is completely gone by now, but I'm going to show you this new floor we have, and also some of these beams are being put on, just measured and cut and just screwed in. I'm not sure screwed is the right word, but I guess it is, because we have some cement blocks over there and they are getting screws. I don't know. Not sure you can tell, but my building vocabulary is very short. But I am doing my best though, not to call everything a thingy, because to me things are thingies or cats. This is like a thingy, and that over there is a cat. So here's the thing about the structure on the floor. We started using this kind of lighter wood, but then we ran out and we had some scraps of wood, but it was very, very hard to nail it. As you can see here, my father is adding some oil. At least I think that's what he's doing, is adding some oil and then nailing them together. This is the first structure to elevate the shed. And then we have some OSB panels, I hope I'm saying that correctly, to the floor, and we nailed that down. At the same time, my father installed all the electric wiring, and you can see it goes like all the way through the shed. I wish I would have been present, but you know me, I sometimes get sick and can't work. So I was sick at the time and I got some footage, but not that much. So there's not a lot I can tell you about electricity. Hi there, so I'm here to share an update and a cute cat. Hello! We now have a floor, as you can see. We have an entire floor. Now we've got floors. At least this first layer, this is going to have a different layer here in a while, but for now, this is exciting news. And that's a cute cat. Also, my father installed the deck on the porch. Those are my Crocs. Ignore them, please. Let's focus a little bit on the deck. So the deck is ready. Okay, I'll see you in the next update. Or if this is it, thanks for watching until the end. That's cool of you. See you next time.